Hey, how was it? Oh, what is that?
This? It's my lunchbox.
Wow, it looks so cool.
Yeah, I know. It's amazing.
How did you cook this?
Do you want to know the recipe?
Yes, please. I would love to cook all this too.
Alright, so... First, obviously, you need to cook some rice. That's pretty easy. You just take some water, pour it into a saucepan. Then, you add some rice. And you need to boil it. It is very important that you don't leave the rice in the saucepan for too long. If you do, it will burn, and then it will taste bitter. During that time, you can cook your veggies. You cut all of your vegetables and put them into a frying pan. At this point, it is very important to stir them. If your frying pan is new, you should use a wooden spatula, not a fork, to stir them. After they are ready, you should season them. I wanted the taste to be salty, so obviously I put in some soy sauce. But I wanted it to be a bit sour as well. I love sour things. So I also added some lemon juice. To make it a little bit spicy, I put some chili pepper and voila! It's done. Put it on rice and you're ready. And you know I have a huge sweet tooth. Let's have some apple pie. Here's what you do. You take some apples, peel them, and cut them into pieces. Then you take a few eggs and whisk them. Naturally, you want your pie to be sweet, so you can add some sugar to the eggs. Then goes some flour, and I like to add a little cinnamon. Smells nice. Now it's easy. Put all of the ingredients together and bake the pie for around 20 minutes. Your perfect apple pie is ready. That's it. That's the recipe. Very easy.
Wow, I remember you telling me that you can't cook at all. Did you take some cooking classes or did you find those recipes online?
Wait, you think I cooked all of it?
Well, yeah.
No, please. My mom cooked, and I just watched. I could never make something like this.
Oh, phew. That makes sense now. I thought you suddenly got magic powers. To add, to add, to season, to season, to stir, to stir, to boil, to boil, to bake, to bake, to pour, to pour, to peel, to peel, to whisk, to whisk, sour, sour, sweet, sweet, spicy, spicy, bitter, bitter, salty, salty, a frying pan, a frying pan, a saucepan, a saucepan, a spatula, a spatula.